For most auto repair shops, online reviews directly affect how many new customers call, click, and visit. AI can help automate the review process so your shop consistently asks happy customers for feedback without relying on staff to remember every time. After a service is completed, the system can automatically send a polite text or email asking for a review. This helps generate a steady flow of fresh reviews on platforms like Google, which builds trust and improves local visibility. More reviews also make your shop stand out when people compare options. Customers want proof that others had a good experience before they commit. AI makes review generation simpler, faster, and more consistent. It also helps protect your reputation by making customer follow-up a regular part of your process. America's Best Shops understands that reputation is a major growth driver, and they help repair shops use AI to turn great service into stronger credibility, more visibility, and more paying customers.